You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. And people, by this, everybody's supposed to know or have an idea, say, Spice, this nightly fix, wicked. When me say wicked, is the level of this are like the worst this way a Jamaican can get. You see me? And if you tell them about them mother.
We don't talk about it because we do. Because we talk about the good about black people.
You never talk about the good.
But you missed because you have people feeding you. Oh, ning.
You never talk about the good.
We talk about the good about black people and how the strategy is good.
Our conversation now has expired. So you can do me a favor, suck your mother.
Alright, so, mom, I hope whenever Spice is sick and she comes, she can't take it. Whenever we talk about who fuck
your time
Spice,
expire, come off from my name upon night to fix stop blood clot.
I hope that when she's sick and comes to the hospital,
everything about you. All the shoes, all your blue shoes, me eat for your foot. You me eat you over there.
This next time,
the blood clot time expire about her. Try and stop me. Eat that fix and me eat you. Me eat your blood clot. Yeah, man.
And that is exactly what Spice did. Spice say, yo, hear me Nanaro. Go S out your mother. But people, we are going to roll a reason. We are going to find out why it happened. And we are going to reason it out. Because it's a serious matter. It's a serious matter. So, Nightly Fix and Spice was on an interview. And it was merely Spice interview Nightly Fix. It wasn't really like a sit-down interview like that. Like, the first part of the video where me see, because you have two videos go around, you know. You have a Splice one where, not Spice, you know, Splice one, where them tell, where Spice say, yo, Naro, go S out your mother, X, Y, and Z. And then you have the full-length version where, when you watch the full-length version, you really are going to get an understanding of what really are going on. But people, right now, I really want to get my point out there and I really want to make that video, yeah. You see me? So, I not even use my computer. Probably at a later date, I do a next in-depth review upon it and show on certain things and reason with, you know. You see me? But, Spice I say, yo, you know, say a long time, uno do them things against me. You see me? Uno only highlight the bad and uno don't highlight the good. And I know years now. You see me? So, Spice have a right for try different out our thing because if somebody up on the internet or a vlogger or somebody just always constantly talk about your name and a degrade you, you mean she a go feel away. And you see when the way how Spice was looking at it, Spice I say, yo, them racist and the whole colorism thing and because she black. And that's why them a beat her so bad. You see me? People, me no know. I watch Nightly Fix more while and me can't pinpoint and say Nightly Fix really true shades at a particular Spice. Because yo, you see Naro, I say him name Naro, them man they throw shades off of anybody and then a partial. You see me? So me now go single out Spice. Me see them do it to almost every entertainer. You see me? So Spice I say no, uno constantly do it to me. Say you know what? Uno go walla S out your mother. You see me? And me really a pre back and I say yo, let me look on the levels. All these other social media platform out there, Zane, you have, cause to me, you have two sides of social media platform them we are in the place right now. You have over YouTube, where you know say the vloggers them, certain top vlogger, where are them man they are running thing, or not necessarily them are running thing, but them have a large fan base. And then you have over the Instagram side, where you have people like Dear Dream, you have people like Tropics, and the whole of them. Where are them people, mostly Dear Dream, Tropics, them are running thing. You have some other ones. You see me? So, what me I say? When them this you know over there and post up some things about you and make them followers them this you know over there. Is it the same as over YouTube I show you shades? And me see the star, me see every single thing write negative comments. Every media outlet write negative comment about you. So why you don't have to go so booms and tell a particular vlogger and people, if you do me I call him vlogger and I do this review, make this clear. I am not in defense of them. Yo, me don't know about them. Me only watch them sometime. Some of them video them look alright. And me is a youth where me support vloggers and me watch YouTube channel. Cause before I was a vlogger, me used to watch YouTube. So me now go say, oh, me a vlogger now. So me now watch them boy. Me still watch them. Cause some of them video, me now say all of them, but some of them is quite entertaining. So me now defend them in certain way. Me just a speak out. Me a speak out as a vlogger. You see me? Why Spice would have go like that and diss them all out? Mrs. Star diss them. You see me? Me see the whole media outlet of Jamaica. Mrs. Spice get a big diss from Wendy Williams. What in the same black hypocrisy. And everybody just ha. You see me? And Wendy Williams, you know. Wendy Williams we do a bag of body modification. I got this Spice when she forward out with the stunt and nobody never really know what go on and whatever. You see me? And I say, and this are up wicked. You see me? She never forward out and this them international people. So why you want little vlogger now? You go say, go assault your mother. That not look good. And me I tell a Spice, you do have a right to defend a thing. This is dancehall. You see me? And mama, me I tell you, you're one of the, not you're one of. Right now, me can clearly say you're the top female dancehall in the thing right now. You see me? Especially for this year, you did extremely well. You see me? But me feel say you go out of character right there, so. Me feel say you never have to tell the man say go assault him mother. Fine. You feel like say narrow them. You know say them boy you want little. You see me? And you feel like say you want to address them certain way. You address them. And people, you see the Splice video where everybody, most people see where I go around. That was the DISS. You see me? But you have another video where I go around where before, like the full interview, where before the whole thing start and before she tell him about his mother. You see me? Where she did a talk civilized. You see me? People, again, me I tell you, this is dancehall. No, little, we can't say girly, but no soft soap in a dancehall, you see me? So, from the interview start, from when me see, she a rough him up. But that's why we say this is dancehall. If you forget rough up, you forget rough up. You see me? And she start rough him up and she actually take the interview in her own hand and she interview him and a question him say. So she a say, yo, you do interview Bounty Killer is a man. Me never hear you try this up Bounty Killer yet. Cause in Naro defense, Naro I say, yo, you know say Spice, why we have to throw shades at you? Why we have to talk about you? You are the top female artist. You are the top female artist, you know. We have to talk about you, and that is true. Because look on the vlogging thing. You see them talk about now, the top people, them talk about the Alkaline, them, the Vibes Cartel, the Popcorn, them, the Top Guns. Me not have to name them out. You see me? So you are the top female artist, so we are going to talk about you. And that Nara say, you know. You see me? But Spice I say, but me not see you talk about Bounty Killer in another way there. Me not see you try style Bounty Killer or Vibes Cartel or me not remember she say Alkaline. But basically she said the Top Guns them. Me not see you do that for the male them. Me not see you talk about Shensia so and the other lighter skin people them. So what? You have a problem with my color? People, this is at the launch of her mixtape, her captured mixtape, where you know say had the big bad hit song they on it. Black Hypocrisy. So at the card they she a draw. You see me? So the conclusion with me I gonna make right now, and people, this is my opinion. This is my opinion, and it's not affiliated with Spice. And it's not affiliated, certainly not affiliated with Nightly Fix. You see me? My office says Spice. The interview was going good. You deal with the man away. You deal with him like him supposed to be deal with. If you feel like say him violate you. You see me? But you see when you reach a part about go assault your mother. Me can't agree with your Spice. Me can't agree with you. You see me? If you feel like say the man really wrong for you talk about you in so much in that manner, you address him good. Good. Until the point where you say go assault your mother. You see me? And people, this is what me think, you know. So let me know in the comment section below. And people, the part of what me have to go put in it. You see me? Uno see the artists them don't rate the vlogger. Because if this And Nara again, me have all one time they make one speech say you're no vlogger, you know, but anyway, still, this could have happened to any vlogger. This could have happened to me. It could have happened to me, not name out a vlogger, but it could have happened to any vlogger. You see me? But when me I try say still. You notice how
it's still promotion at the end.
She style a vlogger. She would have style Anthony Miller that way there.
Know that because all of them look negative.
She would have do that. She would have never style TMZ them that way there. Any representative from TMZ them. And you know say TMZ them no partial. And people should have never style Wilford Williams. Wilford Williams that way there. You see me? So this is how me I try to say, vloggers, we need to have some form of understanding. You see me? As when me say every man not have to agree, every man not have to link, every man not have to rate no man because of side or whatever. But we need to have some kind of form of understanding. You see me? It's your boy DJ Chaddy. And don't forget to like, comment and share. If you feel like say a fool in the attack, just leave your honest opinion in the comment section. You see me? I'm out.